In the silence of the night, I feel the rhythm of the earth, bassline moving through my soul, reminds me of my worth. Heartbeat syncs with ancient drums, wisdom carried in the sound. Every echo speaks the truth, roots deep in sacred ground. Roots in the bass, guiding my way. Heavy vibrations wash fear away. Mind stay calm, spirit stay free. Dove meditation, unity. Roots in the bass, slow and deep. Promises the soul can keep. Under one love, under one sky. Irie power, lifting our high. Smoke rise slow into the stars. Thoughts begin to fade. Ego drops the soul away. No games left to be played. Ancient voices in delay whisper lessons soft and clear. Living true, walk in love. Nothing left to fear. Roots in the bass, guiding my way. Heavy vibrations wash fear away. Mind stay calm, spirit stay free. God meditation, unity. Roots in the bass, slow and deep. Promises the soul can keep. Under one love, under one sky. I recall lifting eye high. Deep up in their swell, their solo focus. Minimal drums, echo trails wide. From Kingston streets to mountain high, same heartbeat, same reply. One vibration, one design. Jah light flowing through the mind. Roots in the bass, steady and strong. Ancient truth in modern song. Peace within, no need to run. Journey deep, we all are one. Roots in the bass, night till day. Meditation lead the way. Good energy, pure and vast. Living now, not stuck in past. Deep bass faith, love echoes dissolve. Silence returns. grow quiet, strong and bold. Bass carry the prayer inside, through the dark, through the light. Calm mind, steady air, heavy bass remind me where. Bass carry the prayer inside, every sound align my life. One heart, one care, dub and soul beyond compare. Bass rolled slowly away, echo fade into space, stillness remains. Slow fire burning in the bass, not too loud but it stays. Every pressure start to bend when the rhythm become friend. Step by step, no need to run. Life move better when it's slow down. In the echo I can hear simple truth become so clear. Slow fire in the bass line, keep my heart steady in time. No rush, no sign to chase. I recall in every place. Slow fire in the bass line, dub and soul align my spine. One love flow, clean and kind. Peace of mind, peace of mind. World keeps spinning, talking fast, trying hard to make me lost. But the drums say hold your ground. Real power come from sound, not in gold, not in fame. Joy lives simple, not the game. When the low end touch my chest, I remember I am blessed. Slow fire in the bassline, keep my heart steady in time. No rush, no sign to chase. I recall in every place. Slow fire in the bassline, dub and soul align my spine. One love flow, clean and kind. Peace of mind, peace of mind. Bass rolls deep, delay drifting wide, minimal drums, space breathing. From the root up to the crown, heavy sound, never drown. Quiet strength, steady flame, different road, same aim. Slow fire in the bassline, meditation through the night. Every echo ease the pain, let go fear, let remain. Slow fire in the bassline, living simple, living kind. One heart, one sign, iris soul in perfect time. Bass low, echo, these are stillness glow. deep and wide, heavy bass right by my side. Let it roll, let it show. Peace grow where the low end flow. Echoes move slow, calm and clean. The vibration in between. One love glow, soft and bold. Ancient stories still unfold. Bass pulsing steady, delay tails drifting. Minimal drums, open space. From the root up through the bone, sound remind me I'm not alone. Same vibration, different skin. All begin where bass begin. Echoes move slow through the night, carry coming to the light. No more weight, no control, just the sound and just the soul. Echoes move slow, pure and deep. Promises the heart can keep. One breath flow, one code. Irie life, irie road. Bass breathe out, echo fade, silence one. Stillness hiding in the low, under everything I know. When the bass begin to breathe, all the tension start to leave. No command, no control, just surrender to the roll. Every note slow and clear, bring the distant moment near. Stillness in the low end sound, heavy bass, keep me grounded. Let it move, let it flow. Peace live where the subtones go. Stillness in the low end sound, roots away, mind unwound. One love slow, soft and true. Everything return to you. wish, no pretend. Let the moment never end. Stillness in the low and right. Carry calm deep inside. No more race, no divide. Just the sound as my guide. Stillness in the low and right. Heavy bass, open sky. One heart slow, unified. Irie now, irie light. Bass play gentle, echo dissolve. Silence full.
Where the bass begin to settle, mind grow calm, heart grow gentle. All the weight I used to carry start to feel unnecessary. Every pulse slow and deep, promises the soul can keep. In the low I find my place, quiet strength, steady grace. Where the bass settles down, heavy sound, soften the ground. Let it roll, let it stay. Worries slowly drift away. Where the bass settles down, roots run deep, mind unwound. One love tone, safe and slow. Peace live where the low notes go. No more fight with passing time. Everything fall into line. Drum and breath begin to sink, giving space to feel and think. Echo talk without a word. Truth is felt, not overheard. In this groove I understand why the calm is where I stand. Where the bass settles down, heavy sound, soften the ground. Let it roll, let it stay. Worries slowly drift away. Where the bass settles down, roots run deep, mind unwound. One love tone, safe and slow. Peace live where the low notes go. Bass slow pulse, delay drifting wide. Minimal drums breathing. From the noise into the still, sound reveal a deeper will. No escape, no disguise. Truth arrive when I realize where the
the groove, say take it light. Everything will be alright. No more grip, no more hold. Let the rhythm do the roll. When the bass begin to guide, I don't need to run or hide. Breathe between the beats I find. Heavy bass calm down my mind. Let it slow, let it show. Peace grow where the low end flow. Breathe between the beats so clear. The vibration draw me near. One love tone, soft and deep. Stillness promise I can keep. Bass pulse steady. Delayed tails floating, minimal drum, open air. From the breath into the sound, every loss is gently found. No more search, no more seek. True arrive when I'm weak. Breathe between the beats tonight. Carry calm into the light. In the low I understand, life don't need a heavy hand. One bass, one breath, heavy sound ease the stress. Let it roll, let it stay, peace arrive and gently rest. One bass, one breath, the vibration at its best. One love flow, nothing less. Ari now, Ari bless. Night falls soft without a fight, bassline carrying a light. Every echo know my name, calling calm without the flame. No more doubt, no disguise, truth arrive when silence rise. In this groove I finally see everything already be. One bass, one breath, heavy sound ease the stress. Let it roll, let it stay, peace arrive and gently rest. One bass, one breath, the vibration at its best. One love flow, nothing less. Ari now, Ari bless. Bass, alone at first, delays bloom slowly. Minimal drums re-enter, wide space, deep calm. From the root into the sky, same vibration passing by. No beginning, no end, only now again and again. One bass, one breath tonight, carry calm into the light. Every sound feel aligned, body, soul and mind. One bass, one breath remain, no more loss, no more gain. One heartbeat, one death, living true, living blessed. Oh, bass roll slow, echo dissolve into silence, breath remain.